jocking the beat, slapping the hole. Went to the park to get the scoop. Knuckleheads out there, cold shimmy. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the beat, jocking the beat. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the beat, jocking the beat. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the beat, jocking the beat. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the beat.
Well, I'm cruising down the street in my candy painted dog, bouncing like a dog with flowers on my 6'4". I pull up wood, gripping flows, tipping sit low. I'm hitting 16 switches, watch it stop and hit the floor. I'm leaning on the curb, sipping syrup, blowing dro. The girls show me love when their panties hit the floor. I said I'm leaning on the curb, sipping syrup, blowing dro. I got the 6'4", hopping, watch it stop and do a show. First I lean with it, then I rock with it. I got a candy apple drop with a Glock in it. First I lean with it, then I rock with it. I got a candy apple drop with a Glock in it. First I lean, then I rock. First I lean, then I rock. I said first I lean with it, then I rock with it. I got a candy apple drop with a Glock in it. Because I'm
Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the beat, jocking the beat. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the beat, jocking the beat. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the beat, jocking the beat. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the beat.
Coming down on that candy with the swingers and them bows, but I got love for the West Coast. So I suppose I'm ahead of the Cali, the land of the low-lows. Touchdown to LAX and I don't need no car. Robert Chino picked me up with the bud and the bar. In the hood on the store, so to the hood on the coast. With Mike Jones and Snoop Dogg, and they already know that I get love from the beat, love from the seas. Mexican, Asian, and Samoa OGs. Throw it up when they see me and holla, hey, bud. When it coming out of San Francisco, great one. You can see me that long, feature baby Pasadena. Inglewood, I West Covina. The South Side ride with the homie Big Boom. Car hopping, top dropping, forget it, keep boom. When I'm
Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the beat, jocking the beat. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the beat, jocking the beat. Cruising down the street in my 6'4".
It's kind of hard to wear high heels or slip on banana peels. How does she get in and out of clubs?
Brody, that's the party now.
I hope she don't get hurt. I hope she thinks this song is good, not
you sick
bad.
fuck.
Cause we think that she's totally rad, she's nuts. Love it. No fingers, no toes. She doesn't own elbows. No front teeth, no knobby knees, quote knob. She don't need knuckles or hands to go see punk rock fans. She's always in the stands, she's nuts. She can't pick up the phone. She can't get dressed alone. She's got no funny bone, she's nuts. No shoes for feet, but sure do think she's neat. She's nuts, she's nuts, she's nuts. Toronto. I asked her to go out to the bar, but all she said was no thanks, no, no. It was time for us to leave, so I grabbed and shook her sleeve, told her I'd see her at the next club. She got into a pack, some guy put her on his back. She said goodbye and kinda waved her stuff. She's got beautiful eyes, rectangular size, but without cats, I thought she's nuts. It's hard to get good head or get tied to a bed when all you've got is your body and head. She's nuts. She's nuts. She's nuts. She's nuts. She's nuts. Oh, she may not walk the walk, and she may not like to talk, but boy, she sure knows how to rock. She's nuts.
They also come in a variety of colorways. This one is my favorite. This one's called the Mike Mo Gray and Black by DC Footwear. They also go really good with anything you wear. I have on yellow shorts and a green shirt, and I still look nice as fuck. That's my best friend. Can jump off a huge shit. It doesn't even hurt. Don't get his wiener.
I'm not. I want to get the stream. Oh, look at that. That's got some
God, that's gross.
side.
Shaped just perfect for ultimate flippage. Not to mention they make you stunningly good looking, just like Mike Mo.
Yeah, that kind of stunned me.
8.5 out of 10. Only shoe I've ever had any better. Yeah, fuck, start it over.
It's either black, and they got laces.
8 out of 10. Best shoe I've ever had besides the America Leo Ramiro laced. That one got a 9 out of 10. I suggest you buy a pair because you can get them for pretty cheap now if you get the original Mike Mo's, not the S's. And like I said, I've been skating these for a long time.
I just can't fucking shit. Seriously, for 3 fucking weeks I've been pissing like fire.
What?
No, I know. That's what everyone tells me. Well, you know what? They're full of shit. I don't fucking care. The Reynolds are the fucking shit. They make my piss not hurt. What the fuck are you...
Oh yeah. One more thing about the fucking start over. I don't always skate shoes, but when I do, I prefer the Mike Mo. For real. The Mike Mo's, in all seriousness, make you better looking, and the Reynolds make your piss not hurt. And so, why would you not buy anything else?
Buy both and wear the two different ones.
I mean, they're two different pairs of shoes, but if your piss is hurting and you're ugly, you can always wear one.
say
And
Reynolds.
it's like one of these.
They got That's always been the problem. Gold.
Right, see, they need
say
to make like a
8.5.
Mike Mo
Because that's what I wear.
Reynolds collab, like
These socks
boxer
fit
shorts
very
or
well
something.
because they're black
So
like the
us
shoe.
ugly people.
Personally,
But
it briefs for me.
I don't know.
Fucking cheap.
The best thing is
I
about
need to do something because I'm tired of my piss hurting all the time.
getting
So rad and cool
what happened to the other day?
that
Fucking coin machine.
most people just think you're a fucking fool.
But I still gotta try it. Got these out of the wall.
That was the raddest, coolest. Yay!